Our next hands-on Diedricksen Brothers Tiny House Workshop, Joshua Tree.
What's up, Deek, RelaxShacks.com here at the Florida Tiny House Festival, having a great time. Day's kind of winding down, but we joined up with Mike from Movable Roots in one of the classier houses I've seen here all day. Yeah, thanks for having us. Take us through this place because it's really cool. It's this mishmash of like, you've got a country vibe, but also modern, very modern.
That was exactly what we were shooting for, kind of a modern industrial. We wanted to kind of bring a main floor bedroom model to the space. As well as kind of what we felt like a flowing kind of floor plan to really kind of make it quote-unquote livable, right?
Yeah.
So this unit where we're standing right now, we have our entranceway here off of the front porch. You come into what I would consider a chef's kitchen, you know, full appliance package, farmhouse sink. Adding in some additional windows in the backsplash there kind of adds some extra light into the space, really kind of opens it up. We have a custom cabinet guy that works with us in-house. All of our cabinets are soft close, made in-house, and we're able to kind of really kind of fit and finish them wherever. Toe kick drawers, really kind of using every bit of the space that we can. Used quartz countertops, got that marble look without the marble upkeep. Higher appliance package, full-size fridge on the other side of the loft here.
Oh, it is a full, yeah, you don't see that much. It's so,
yeah. Off this side here, this opens up. So, good size fridge to go with the kitchen, right? If you have a full-size chef-style kitchen, you're going to need a fridge to put stuff, right?
It's a very spacious galley-style kitchen, but I mean, this counter run here is like 8 feet, if not greater, and I like the open shelving here.
Yeah.
Because instead of closing everything, it's giving you that extra visual depth right there.
Yeah, and it changes up kind of that new kind of feel out there that you see in regular residential homes. You know, you see that open shelving, you see that kind of feel in those homes. So there's no reason why we can't do that in Tiny's as well.
I particularly appreciate that you're apparently a Moscow Mule fan.
I'm a huge Moscow Mule fan.
Where's it at, buddy? There's so much going on here. Like, I really didn't have time to step through here because the line outside is been huge for the festival. But from the lights, the atomic lamp, everything's so tastefully done. Who's in charge of the styling here?
So, believe it or not, I have a fairly strong will when it comes to that. My fiance, Nikki, had a great part in it as well. We balance each other out when we kind of put this together. But you know, kind of a somewhat strong-willed on my opinions on how things should be. So upstairs here, the loft, pretty good size. We've got about 60 square feet up there. There's currently a twin up there. You could definitely do a larger bed. USB ports for charging. You know, some additional kind of cabinetry up there as well. Coming through here, we got a main floor bathroom in front. Full-size bathroom. Have you kind of go on in.
This is where we get the cameo of Dustin because there's a mirror here.
Yeah. So
man behind the
shower, 5-foot shower, could be swapped out for a tub if that was something that you specifically needed. Subway tile kind of keeps it that good, fresh, kind of clean look. A lot of people ask us, you know, how can you tile in this? It moves. This unit has about 7,000 miles on it. I know that's not a lot for tiny homes, but it's moved quite a bit. We haven't cracked a tile yet. And we use different kinds of things. One, I think the metal structure, because of the rigidity of the metal, it really kind of reinforces everything moving together, as well as some flex mortar and things like that.
That's to say, you have to have some kind of flex mortar in there. Yep. Yeah. This is kind of cool with the window here for ventilation, you know. But also, it's like you're showering and singing opera, you can wave at people out there as they look at you like you're insane. Is this a cantilevered area over?
Yep. So the front of that space here is actually the end of the trailer. So we cantilevered 2 feet out over the tongue, which also we're able to bring the loft over as well.
Well, it gives you 2 extra feet of visual space, and that's huge.
And really kind of pushes that needed space out. And we even kind of found space to put some custom-made drawers in that as well, you know. So
that's really nice. You got the what, the washer dryer?
Combo, yep,
Yeah.
the higher package there as well.
Oh, I like to see you fit it around the drain by.
Yep.
Okay.
There's a little dummy board there.
Not only do they have the loft, we have a downstairs bedroom.
Yeah, so that was one of the things that we found was kind of a needed option in the space where people didn't necessarily want to climb in a loft every night to go to bed. So we brought in kind of what we call the master suite on the back of the structure here. There's an actual door that makes it private. You have your own kind of space here with a TV, your own AC and heat, as well as closet storage on either side of the queen size bed. Again, USB ports, high feel, really makes the room feel larger than it
Because it really
is.
isn't a big room, but you fake the funk.
Yep.
You can get to each side of the bed to make it. There's more space here visually than there really is legitimately.
Physically,
yeah,
right? Exactly.
It's great. And you got, having a second door too. There's egress right there. That's a cool, like, what's the width in that door?
Yeah,
it's
so
like
it's
a 20
actually a
inch?
2.0 door, so it's a 24-inch door.
24 it is?
Yep,
Okay.
so a 24-inch door. We put all of the blinds and everything in it as well, so you can still get that openness, but close it off when you want to.
That's great.
So,
for egress, and especially you guys are giving tours, you have the benefit of having an in and out door.
the in and out door is the best move for a tiny
no
home show for
bottlenecking
sure.
here. Yeah.
So,
Mike, this is fantastic.
thank you guys. I really appreciate the time.
So if people, again, if they want to find out more from you, it's MovableRoots.com.
Check us out. Go to MovableRoots.com is our website. Movable Roots on Facebook and movable_roots on Instagram. Check us out. We've got a couple new models coming out as well that we're putting out there.
Excellent. Thank you so much, man. I
No
won't
problem.
be surprised if you guys win some other award for this, because this has been one of the more popular houses here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.